A circus artist is climbing 20-meter long loop, which is tightly stitched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. So what is given information here? There is a vertical pole and a rope is tied at the top of the vertical pole to the ground level, and this is the ground level. Angle made by the rope with the ground level is given that it is 30 degrees, and the length of the rope is also given, which is 20 meters. What you need to find out? You need to find out the height of the pole. Okay, name the vertices of a triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. So it can form a right triangle because the pole is perpendicular to the ground level. This is 90 degrees. Okay, so we can solve this question using one of the trigonometry, that is sine theta. So what is the trigonometric ratio of sine theta? Sine theta is opposite side by adjust opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, here what is the opposite side? You don't know. Let the height of the pole be x. Okay, and what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse AC is given that 20 meters. So what is the value of theta? Theta is 30 degrees. Do you know the value of sine 30? The value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. Right? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. What's the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. And you don't know AB. AB is the height of the pole, right? So assume it as x divided by what is AC? AC is given that it is 20 meters. Now just send the 20 to LHS side. Then it will become 20 divided by 2 is equals to x. Therefore 2 times 1, 2 times 10. X is equals to 10 meters. So what is x? The height of the pole. Therefore height of the pole is 10 meters. Okay. Second question. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees. The distance between foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. So what is given? So there is a tree. It's a big tree. It is broken like this over here, and the broken part touches the ground. Top of the tree is touching the ground, and this is the ground level. So what is given? The top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees. So this angle is given that it is 30 degrees, and the tree is always perpendicular to the ground, so it can form a right triangle. Now what they are asking? They given that the distance between foot of the tree to the point where the top of the tree touches the ground is 8 meters. You need to find the height of the tree. What is actual height of the tree? So the opposite side. I'll name the vertices here: A, B, C. Here height of the tree is AB, this part, plus broken part. Broken part is hypotenuse, which is AC. Okay, so you need to find out AB plus AC. They are asking AB plus AC. Okay, so first find out AB using the trigonometric identity of tan 30. So use tan 30. Tan 30 can be written as opposite side by adjacent side, which is AB by BC. And what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3, which is equals to AB. You don't know that. Just write as AB. And BC is given that 8 centimeters. Therefore, send 8 to LHS side. Therefore, 8 divided by root 3 is equals to AB. Okay, this is equation number 1. So, the AB value is 8 divided by root 3. This is 8 divided by root 3. Now, you can find the hypotenuse value using Pythagoras theorem, or you can use the trigonometric ratios also. So here I'll use uh, trigonometric ratio of sine. So what is sine? Sine 30 is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, which is equals to AB. Just now you found out, which is 8 by root 3, whole divided by AC. Just send AC to other side and 2 to RHS side. Just do cross multiplication. Then you will get AC as 2 into 8 by root 3, which is equals to 16 divided by root 3. 16 divided by root 3. So therefore the hypotenuse is 16 divided by root 3. Now what is the height of the tree? AB plus AC. So what is AB? AB is 8 by root 3 plus AC is 16 by root 3, which is equals to, the denominator is same. So 8 plus 16 is 24 divided by root 3. Okay, I'll solve over here. AB plus AC is equals to, AB is 8 by root 3 plus AC is 16 by root 3. Here, since the denominator is same, you can add the numerator. So 8 plus 16 is 24 divided by root 3. I can simplify it further. 24 can be written as 8 times 3 divided by root 3. And 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. 8 into root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. 1 root 3, 1 root 3 gets cancelled. The answer is 8 root 3. Therefore, the height of the tree is 8 root 3. So this is AB plus AC. Therefore, the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters.